First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Router Admin. From the search results, find the app called Router Admin and tap on it. Next, tap Install to download the app. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. If it doesn't open from there, go to your home screen or app drawer and open the Router Admin app manually. After opening the app, you'll see a router icon on the main screen. Tap on it and your IP address will be displayed. This IP address is important, so copy it. Now, open the Google Chrome app or any browser you prefer. Tap on the address bar at the top, paste the copied IP address, and press Enter or Search. Your router's login page will now open on the screen. That's it. This is how you can use the Router Admin app to find your IP address. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.